Hello, Dr. L here. This is a quick video to show you how good the moontides were on February 1st, 2017. This was a day when the Federal Reserve meeting was ending. There's going to be an announcement at 2 o'clock Eastern. But before that, the moontides were indicating a good trade shortly after the open. This is a chart off of daytradingforecast.com from the SP-KISS page. That chart shows two charts, one with the normal moon tides, one with inverted moon tides for the 24-hour day. So by the time we get to 9:30 Eastern, about 2/3 of that chart has already occurred. And one can look at how well the moon tide is fitting. Today was a particularly choppy day in the moon tides, but if one observes right over here, the first low came in right here, followed up, high right in here, so one could argue that the red tide was working pretty good. Right in here is a low, there's a low. The sharp little jerks are really, they're so fast that they don't necessarily show up. But coming in, here's the outcry open right in here. And the red moon tide was showing a sharp drop. That's what we got. These are the tide time, or the trade times. First one right here at about 9:40, and boom, there it went. This is the tide time. That low is almost exact. And then it came up, and the market did indeed rally. Then as we start getting close into the announcement of the Federal Reserve, we got some an area where it didn't fit real well. But just before the announcement, notice this nearly vertical drop in the tides right there. Is right there. There's a trade time, and is actually worth a couple points. But at any rate, that's the moon tide, or one of the charts on this SP-KISS page. I'd like to show you a couple others of the same data, just a different chart. This is the chart with the simple moving averages. This one here is 110-minute exponential moving average. And this yellow one is the 20-minute exponential moving average. The basic trading rules for trading the moon tide, so when you get this crossover, you should sell. And that was obvious at about 22.80, right in there. When you drop below that, right in here, the bars are colored after the crossover, so you could have been as late as 22.77. But then follow on down here, and basically, if you enter in one moon tide, one of the trading rules says that you should look to cover the next moon tide. There was nearly 9 points there. If you got in at 80, covered at 71 in here, you were in good shape taking it out, or taking your money off, according to our trading rules on day trading forecasts. Now after this, this is the 440 and the 110. They went flat. This midday trade, everyone's sitting around waiting for the Federal Reserve. This is the time when you normally pass. And basically, after the Fed makes its announcement here at 2 o'clock, frequently you'll get some excitement, and it may be reversed. Today it was reversed. On this next trade time, there was a small trade right in here, but nothing big. I think it's worth a couple points. But this early one gave us a good start to the month. Now this is another chart off of daytradingforecast.com. This is my plasma chart, which shows these yellow push balls, and that's where the computer is really hitting it hard. So when you see a series of push balls going up like this, you know that you're getting more and more volatility. And right up here at the top, notice how that push ball is isolated from the plasma. That's a warning of a turn. Okay, right in here, now this magenta one here is a 6-minute exponential moving average. It crossed the 20 right there. So a real aggressive entry would have been to sell up there. Okay, then here we got the purple push balls going down. More purple push balls, more purple push balls. No yellow push balls until right up here, 2274. And down here. Now, once we got past that point, then you see here's a higher magenta push ball. So that's some kind of a 1 and a 2 or 3, a 4, 5. But here we're getting into the mud. And here comes all the bouncing around when people are trying to listen to Janet Yellen and figure out what the Fed's really going to do when they've already told us. Here's a series of little push balls. The flash boys are buying, buying, buying. Right there, that's right at the top of the Larson band there. Right in here is obvious that they quit buying. And so then we sunk down here, and here we're trying to sell, sell, sell. Now on this chart are the pivot prices, which used to be the day trading pit. I compute my numbers using 24-hour data. This R1 was a pretty high area to be in early in the day. We tried to run up to R2 and didn't make it. Came back down and broke R1. Normally you'd think if you broke R1 at 22.8075 that you'd make it down to the pivot, which we did, 2271.5. So there in a nutshell is how the MoonTides and some good charts could have helped you out in the E-mini today. So that's from daytradingforecast.com. I have a lot more products. If you want to learn more, you can check out my website at http://moneytide.com. So I hope you enjoyed this little video, and come visit my website.